Okera ACIARI na AYUTHI niboretwe gwitikiria cukuru cia UTEA maturene ni untu iji NICIO ikwa AYUTHI ngugi ni untu ngugi cia UBICI ite kuoneka ntuku iji kagiteno kau antu baria bathomerete ngugi iji niboretwe gutumira UTEA bubu ni untu niyo akiba komba kwithwa bagiukiria moturo jao.
I hereby officially confer all the graduates the certificate of IDIMA Vocational Training Center and give you the power to lead and to do all that pertains to that certificate. Congratulations to all graduates.
Kiathoni kia graduation ya ithanthatu kia IDIMA Vocational Training Center irani akanicha achia MCK antu nkoroki ya 90 ibathire na mbere na graduate na kosi mwanya mwanya cia UTEA na atongore ba kwi kiathoni kiba kiuria ana baba wa mwana antu bangi bathi na mbere na kuwatira mantu makonenie na UTEA abwega no ntu ni onjira thiete na mbere na kuwatirwo muno nthiguru ino
itu atura mbere tukiona antu wa kuthoma politiki ni yako tina betete. Lakini to my surprise bwana Daktari Kamoyo, juzi tulikuwa na nafasi kama 3000 za kazi kwenda ng'ambo. Na tena degree endeka na kinyemwe. Hivi endeka na ke ni mtu na certificate yake ya plumbing, mechanic, joinery, those courses. Kwa nataka ku encourage those who are undertaking these courses.
There is a notion that vocational training is for those who are academically weak and financially poor students. Then the go about the woman that kithomo yake keneko tekere baraba weak in academic kana baraba financially weak kithomo ke abate twende graduates. Remember, you have what it takes to change the world for better and not for worse.
This is the way to go. You are the people to ensure the country achieves the Vision 2030. So there are no jobs in the offices. So you are the ones to employ and to create employment. So get started.
Urotete kubwezi andrezi ngangu kwera ko wata ari muntu ba muto akanangiri na muntu neterete nwe ande kwa no atwe gatera ande kwa layo yo atemnya kurezia tembi
kosiro ubwethetie wa miteyaneria uketa kuruta ngoinge menyera au na lomela ke kosiu na murungu othera akakutharima no ntonto baba bwethecia mantu angari imponeta antu abainge bwana chief of guest muntu akathoma mechanical engineering na kinya mantu ya UBUNDI kana kinya manson kwa tuka kauma aketa kuruta bonda. That one is very unfortunate. Utumba okura
China ikinyete no ndo ba courses yondo isienui ndio to China wana ishindana duniani inge sionde no ndo ba courses hiji kwa courses hiji boke yao sipuuza ito kwenda to sieke pa mbele na tuona na beto bakithoma hii to aba encourage to aba support na toka me abatu kuboma baya kutoka mushie
kagitania wako
graduates mukitoka hapa, we wish you the best because you have made it and you have achieved something. Also, I remind you there is still room for higher levels of education, and I encourage you to move on and let the sky be your limit. If you have done grade 3, there is grade 2, there is grade 1. Kindly join us for those grades.
The skills you have acquired here are more crucial than ever. You are equipped not only with the technical knowledge, but also with the problem-solving abilities, critical thinking, and capacity to innovate. These attributes will serve you well as you enter the workforce or pursue further education.
It is also my prayer that we take TVET and vocational training seriously, because challenge ila nene kabatea ya wa location bwana Mutia na county director lebo yabo kafanda those institutions no ntoki akona bila bia kuma kere boy bia turiko to the community no nto the habit so wateka as a second ya kabona ya ka institution ite na getomi
koma CUKURU ya ithema Egembe Central Peter Class Chabari.